Introduction. Today is holiday. Vishesh comes to Mughal garden where he sees row after row of bright-colored tulips in full bloom. He finds the colorful view pleasing to the eyes. Vishesh is also quick to notice a pattern in the tulips. The white tulips are at the center. On either side, there are red tulips. Beyond the red tulips are the yellow ones, followed by the purple tulips. This observation sets his mind to work. He wants to know other patterns involving shapes, numbers, and letters. In this lesson, we will discuss patterns in detail. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to complete a pattern of shapes, complete patterns of numbers and letters, decipher number patterns in addition, write coded messages. Pattern generation. A pattern is a series of objects or numbers which repeat in a pre-decided manner. Look at the given pattern. Guess the next picture required to complete the pattern. There are three objects in the pattern. They appear in a particular sequence, first the lantern, then the star, and then the bulb. The given pattern ends with a star, so the next object must be the bulb. So, A is the correct option. Geometry facts. Look at this magic triangle. The sum of numbers on each side of the triangle is 10. Let us verify. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10. 3 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 10. Magic tower. Look at these number stones arranged as a tower. There is a pattern in them. Let us decipher it. Let us take the stones in the bottommost row. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5, 8, and 12 form the row above. Let us now take the stones of the second row. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 8 plus 12 equals 20. 13 and 20 form the row above. Let us now take the stones of the third row. 13 plus 20 is equal to 33. 33 forms the topmost row. So the pattern is clear. Every stone starting from the second row is the sum of the two stones beneath it. Patterns with addition. Look at these sums. There is a pattern in them. Let us find out. 3 plus 6 plus 9 equals 18. 6 plus 9 plus 12 equals 27. 9 plus 12 plus 15 equals 36. We observe that the difference between two adjacent sums is 9. 27 minus 18 equals 9. 36 minus 27 also equals 9. There is another interesting fact. Each sum is thrice the middle term. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. There is one more interesting fact. Each sum is 9 less than thrice the last term. 9 into 3 minus 9 is 18. 12 into 3 minus 9 is 27. 15 into 3 minus 9 is 36. Let us look at another addition pattern. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is 20. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 is 28. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 is 36. We observe that the difference between any two adjacent sums is 8. 28 minus 20 is 8. 36 minus 28 is 8. There's another interesting fact. Each sum is 4 more than 4 times the second term. 4 into 4 plus 4 is 20. 4 into 6 plus 4 is 28. 4 into 8 plus 4 is 36. There is one more interesting fact. Each sum is 4 less than 4 times the third term. 4 into 6 minus 4 is 20. 4 into 8 minus 4 is 28. 4 into 10 minus 4 is 36. Secret messages. You must have read about secret messages in mystery stories. You must have also seen the use of secret messages in war movies. Let us understand what secret messages are. Secret messages are messages that are coded in a particular way so that the enemy does not understand it. Let us decode a secret message. Here is the message. 23D, 20F, 8R, 21W. The numbers represent the letters of the English alphabet of those positions. 23rd letter of the English alphabet is W. 20th letter is T. 8th letter is H. 21st letter is U. The letters in the secret message are 3 places ahead of the actual letters. D is actually A. F is C. R is O. W is T. So the decode message is, watch out! Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. A pattern is a series of objects or numbers which repeat in a pre-decided manner. Patterns can be formed using shapes, numbers, and letters of the alphabet. Patterns can be deciphered in addition. Coded secret messages also have a pattern in them.